Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see chord reduction in K-maps. We are going to see how to identify the chord in K-map and how the variables can be reduced and form an Boolean expression. Now you can see an K-map here for the function f w, x, y, z. Okay, these are the four variables. We got it for the K-map. So you can see left hand side it is wx, and on top you can see it is yz, and all the combination is written. So w dash x dash for the first row, and w dash x for the second row, wx for the third row, and wx dash is for the fourth row. Same way you got the top columns here. Y dash z dash for the first column, y dash z for the second column, y z for the third column, and y z dash for the fourth column. So corresponding binary values are given. Okay, so this heading is very important to write. The label is must. Binary number is optional. These variables, okay, these variables are very important to write, because once you reduce, you will get to know what variable is been eliminated, removed from the term. Okay, now we are going to see two chords has been marked here. Okay, so this is the first chord and this is the second chord. Okay, so here you can see the chord 1, it is M0, M4, M8 and M12. So as per the order, it will be 0, 4, 8 and 12. So this is the first chord, and second chord is 6, 7, 14 and 15. So you can see M6, M7, M14 and M15. Now moving vertically in chord 1, see two variables w and x changes their state. Now when it is vertical like this, okay, it is a rectangle box, it is a square box. Okay, so in rectangle box you can see yz, this column will be same throughout. Okay, so for all the four boxes, y dash and z dash will be same. But when you see the rows, you can see w dash x dash, okay, that is the first row. It has been changed to w dash x. That means x dash is changed its state to x. That means you're going to remove this. So you can remove this variable x. Same way, from the second row to the third row, w dash is changed its state to w. That means w also can be removed. So both the variables which is in the left hand side, w and x, can be removed because it is changing its state throughout. Anyway, that will be the case, and this y dash z dash will be the same. Okay, now you can see that the chord removes two variables. Thus the reduced expression for chord 1 is y dash and z dash, because w and x are removed because it changes its state. This is for the chord 1. Now if you take the chord 2, okay, where you have m6, m7, m14 and m15. Okay, now this one you have to be very careful, because you can see it is only two rows and two columns. Okay, it is like a square box. Okay, now you have to take the second row and third row, okay, which has been marked here. So w dash x and wx. Now w dash is changes its state to w. That means you can remove w here, and x does not changes its state, it is same, so you can keep x. And you also have to see that top columns y and z is changes its state. That is the third column, and y z dash is the fourth column. So here y does not changes its state, but z changes state from z to z dash. So you have to remove z and you have to keep y. Okay, so you have to take one variable from each, that is one from the row and one from the column. So you are going to remove w from the row and z from the column. So the remaining variable will be x and y. Okay, so that will be the chord 2. Okay, the reduced expression for chord 2 is xy, because w and z are removed. Okay, so this is how you are going to remove the identify the chord, and then to write the reduced term. Okay, removing the variables which changes its state, and the variable which does not change its state will be taken and will be written and will be formed and term. Okay, we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you.